You have failed me for the last time.
Hey there, comic fam. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Nate's Geeky Channel. I got something interesting for you today. The Haunt of Fear, Volume 2 trade paperback. So what we're going to do is, just like last time, we're going to have a close-up of the book, skim through it, give you guys a view of what's going on with it, and let's check out this EC Horror Pre-Code Horror. Alright, it's go time. Alright, that sums it up. So that's a really cool trade paperback. It was more of a visual overview. So if you're interested in this kind of EC horror collection, it's a great option compared to buying it separately per book, which is pretty expensive if you're going to go through the Golden Age era. But they do have reprints of single issues as well, which is another cool way. But I actually like the trade paperbacks. They're pretty cool and it's convenient. So yeah, be looking out for Volume 1, The Haunt of Fear, which I'll probably have up in maybe a couple of weeks or so. It depends. And until then, you guys, thanks for viewing. Have a safe week, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Adios, bye-bye.